Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday, 23rd December 2020. It's our maths period. First of all, we will revise shapes. Okay, students, tell me which shape is this? Yes, very good. Here is a circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. Circle is a round shape. Look around you and find some circles like watch, clock, plate, moon, sun. Yes, these are circles. These are in round shape. Let's learn spelling of circles. Yeah, sir, circle. Circle. Again learn. Yeah, sir, circle. Circle. Our second shape is square. Square has four equal sides. Square has four corners. Look around you and find some squares. Yes, window may be square, or wall clock may be square, or your book may be square. Okay, find some squares and learn spelling of square with me. Square. 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 Let's move towards our third shape. Our third shape is triangle. Learn spelling of triangle with me. Tri, Triangle. 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 Triangle has three corners and three sides. Find some triangles around you. Birthday cap is also example of triangle. Here is our fourth shape, rectangle. Here is our fourth shape, rectangle. Rectangle has four sides, four corners, but not equal. Two sides are long and two sides are short. Okay, look around you. Find some rectangle shapes around you. It may be door, window, and some other things. Find your books. Okay, beta, let's start oral drill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's do oral drill of backward counting. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, let's move towards number in words. NE1TWO2 THREE 3 FOUR 4 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEVEN 11. Okay, beta, do this drill on daily basis. Let's start an activity about what comes before. Here I have 4 bunnies. Number 4, 27, 17 and 35. We will find what comes before number 4. Yes, number 3. Where is number 3? Yes, here is number 3. We place here. Yes, we place here. Number 3. What comes before 27? Find other bunny. Yes, number 26. 34. No. 26. Yes, here is number 26. We will place here before 27. Yes, here is our third bunny, which is number 17. What comes before 17? 16. Yes, here is number 16. We will place here before 17. And our fourth bunny is number 35. What comes before 35? We will place here 34. We will place here 34. Okay, beta. Try to do practice of this topic. Inshallah, you will be expert. You can do. Try again. Okay. Let's start our copy work. We'll write here WED wet, NES DAY day. Your letters must attach to this line. Make small hook of D, small hook of A, Y, Wednesday, comma, 23rd December, write small r and D, DED, CM, December, comma, 2020, full stop. Today our topic is what comes before. Okay, I hope you can understand this activity. You can understand it through activity. What comes before 42? Yes, here comes 41 right here. 4 1 41. Writing should be neat. Sharp your pencils before writing. What comes before 57? You will write here 5 656. What comes before 64? You will write here 63. What comes before 79? Write here 78. What comes before 85? You will write here 84. After writing this, you will color in this picture. Then I am telling you and show me picture of your work. Now I am telling you sentence of the week. First of all, revise manners of the week. What is manner? Always obey and respect your elders, your parents, your grandparents, and your elder brothers, sisters, siblings. Okay? If you do any mistake, then say sorry and ask to him, sorry, I will never do this again. Again repeat it, sorry, I will never do this again. Okay, beta? Keep in mind, if you do like this, then Allah will be happy from you. Okay? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.